How to see who subscribed to you on YouTube. Hello everyone, this is Sabdina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then simply search for YouTube Creator Studio. You can also use the application version. After that, simply go to the dashboard and then here you will find all your total subscribers. After that, if you have any subscriber, tap on the subscribers and then you will be able to see who have subscribed to you, and in you can also see how many people subscribed you in past few days by going to analytics. Go to audience and then you will also get an option of audience. Scroll down and then go to subscribers. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.